So double click on this file name. You will get the window will be small. The window will be maximize. Okay, like that. Now the operators. In the operators, I am going to tell you first one. Uh, Arithmetic operators you know very well. So there is no need to tell about this. Only two operators you have to learn in this, like plus, minus, multiplication, division, you know. So you should know about division and modulus. Division and modulus. So I'm going to tell that two only. Okay, I'm going to tell that two only. So C equals to A by B, D equals to A modulus B. So what's the value here? System dot out dot println. So here you can print those two values. C plus comma. I'm writing plus C. So what's the value of this? The first one it will come 1, second one it will come 0. Okay, 1, 0 it will come. Why? Because always remember students, I'm telling again, once again I'm telling, if you know also, because once we cover basics, we'll go very forward. These are, for this you have to take the coefficient. That is okay. Coefficient you have to take. If it is an integer result it is storing, you have to skip the fractional part. If it is a float, you should take this C variable is float, you should take that point values also. Now this is the integer, you should take the integer value only. A modulus B. A modulus B is nothing but you should take the remainder value. You should take the remainder value. When numerator modulator with denominator. When numerator value is bigger, denominator value is small. At that time, you take remainder is your answer. Or else, or else, or else, when numerator is small, when denominator is big, at that time, numerator is your answer. Numerator is your answer. Okay, now we will execute other code. Take A equals to 1. A equals to 1. What's the answer will come? First one will be 0. Second one will be 1. Because 1 modulus 2. 1 modulus 5 means 1 is a small, 2 is 5 is a big. So this is we can call it as arithmetic operators. Okay. Next. Next we'll see about logical operators. Logical operators is I'm taking A equals to 1, B equals to 2. And after that I'm taking some variable comma D comma E. Next C equals to A bitwise and B, sorry, or is that logical and B? D equals to A logical or B. Okay. Int A equals to 1, B equals to 2, C comma D comma E. C equal to logical and B. Okay. C equal to A logical line, B semicolon. D equals to A logical or B semicolon. Okay. Why is showing error here? What is the type of operator here? Logical line only, right?
C equal to 0.
C equals to 0. Okay. Now I'm not seeing that one. One second. So here they taking correct only. Okay. Okay, Boolean. Correct only. Our opposites are correct only. Okay, we should write our presidency. Okay. That's what is not showing error. What happened? What's the error here? Okay. So here, that example is there. One more example here. So here, the taken Boolean A equals to true, Boolean B. These are data type. Here newly implemented in Java. In C, it is not there. True, false. So here, they are printing plus. Plus is concatenated to this. So what will come? True, false, true, true, false, false. Not A means false. True, not true means false. Compulsory here you are taking the input as in the form of true and false only. It is accepting. It is accepting in the form of true and false. If you take the other input, like if I am taking here int A equals to, suppose I am taking here 1, next int B equals to 2, I am taking. Okay, it is not supporting here. So compulsory you should take the values input. For this, your answers should be true and false only. True or false. True or false, you have to take. That's it. Okay. Next one. So these are all tables. Next, relational operators, you know very well. I'm not going to explain. Just the output of this is 0 or 1. That's it. A greater than B. Here we are not taking zeros ones. The everything from C to Java, it is changed to false and trues. Trues and false. Okay. That you have to understand the point here. Okay. Next one. Here, these are the assignment operators. When they will give some expression like this, you should evaluate to like this. A plus equals to 1 means A equal to A plus 1. So it means what is the value here? A equals to A plus 1 means what is the value? 10 plus 1, 11. Here B equal to B minus equal to 3 is nothing but B equal to B minus 3. Next C equal to C into 7 is nothing but how much you have to write? C equal to 7 3 is some number like that. So this is about assignment operator. Conditional operators you know very well. Okay. Conditional operators is nothing but you should take the value. So here you can see A equals to 10, B equal to 30. Here, when this expression 1 is satisfied, expression 1 will be executed or else expression 2 will be executed. When this condition is satisfied, this statement will be executed or else this statement will be executed. Now 10 greater than 20, 10 greater than 30, condition is false. So B value will be executed. So B value will be stored in C, that will be run. Next here, the condition is true. Now A value will be executed. A value will be executed. So 30, 10 came. Okay. Now I'm changing some little bit in this code. Okay, see. For example, one second. Next, if I write here B plus C plus D, so this result will be calculated and it will be displayed the result. Okay. So the answer will be 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9. Okay. Now what I'm doing, so this is the place, this is your answer, right? So in the place of this, what I'm doing, in the place of this, what I'm doing, again, somewhere else I'm writing, C less than D, question mark, C colon D I'm writing, C colon D. Just observe only this program, observe only this one. If you observe this line, whatever I selected, tell me about answer this. C less than D means nothing but 3 less than 4,
A.
condition is, okay, condition is true, the answer is, okay. Just I'm moving towards background. Now this is expression 1, expression 2, expression 3. So your answer will be expression 3. In expression 3 again there are expression 1, expression 2, expression 3. When this condition is true, this statement will be executed. Try to understand. Once again I am telling. When this condition is satisfied, this statement will be executed. When this condition is false, this statement will be executed. Again, this condition is false, this statement is executed. In this condition is false, this statement is executed. Now, if I write here a plus b, what is your answer? 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, whatever you will write here, that will be executed. So in the place of this, again I am writing a less than d, a less than d, question mark, a colon b. Again, what is your answer? From here, it will go to this entire place. This condition is false. If it is true, it will execute this part, or logical or. The name of the logical or left side, sorry, not logical or, just or. Or means either when this condition is satisfied, this or operator left side value will be executed, or else or operator right side value will be executed. Your condition is false, or right side value is executed. Again, coming to this, when this condition is true, or left side will be executed. When this condition is false, or right side will be executed. Now this condition is false, so it will be shifted to here. So this condition is true, a value will be executed. Now a will be stored in E, and your answer will be 1. So this is about conditional operator. What I am taken, a less than d. Sorry, here condition here only true, right? C less than d, condition here only is true. So the answer is 3. Okay, right. Okay, that's it. Next one, bitwise operators. Bitwise operators we'll discuss here. 1 second. Yes, bitwise operators are nothing but there are total. In Java also same. This is a Python related content. So here in all these are same. First of all, here I am taking some number 4, number 5, a equal to 4, b equal to 5. This is the bitwise AND operator. Bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise exclusive OR. In logical AND, there are 2 logical AND symbols, 2 logical this symbol. AND symbols are 2, OR symbols are 2. Okay, coming to bitwise, there is only one. Bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise exclusive. How you can solve this? Here the problem is C equal to A bitwise bitwise AND B. So A value is how much? 4. Here 4 they converted into binary. Next 5 also converted into binary. And whatever the result expression is there, for this expression you apply logical AND table. Logical AND table, if you apply, what is the value will come here? 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 is 1. So here you got some number, you convert this number into binary, store in C. So the value that is stored here, what? 4. Next, logical OR, so bitwise OR. Bitwise OR is nothing but same scenario. 4 convert into binary, 5 convert into binary. Here you will apply logical OR table. The logical OR tables is what? When 0, 0 is 0, is 0. Remaining all situations are 1. So the answer will be 5. 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Next one, exclusive OR. Exclusive OR table is what? 0, 0 is 0, 1, 1 is 0. So remaining all the situations, it is what? 1. So 0, 1, 1. So remaining all the situation, it will come 0. So the answer will be. Next, one more operator is there, tilde operator. When tilde operator is there, just remind the formula. Remind the formula of minus of n plus 1. Here there is some step like some steps like you have to do 1's complement, 2's complement. So that must not require. Just remember this formula. When tilde operator will come, tilde operator of some number. Tilde operator of some number is that number plus 1 with minus n. There is a minus n plus 1 formula. Just apply it. They applied 5, 5 plus 1, 6, apply negative 7. Next, two operators, right shift and left shift. Here, very simple. Okay. Right shift. Nothing is there here. What is your number? 8. 8 right shift to how much? 8 right shift. 8 right shift how much? 1. So 8 right shift 1 is 8 right shift to how much? So let us solve the problem. 8 we convert into binary. So here I want to shift two positions right side and left to right. So initially, when you want to shift this position towards right side, not one direction, not single bit. So you have to move how many bits total? 2 bits from here to here, and this bit to here. So these 2 bits will be deleted. So in order to 1 second. So here, in order to write like 2 bits like this, so what I am doing here is simply I am moving from here to here. 2 bits I am moving like this. So after 2 bits position moved from here to here, the position will be here. So here 0, this 0. Now these 2 zeros will be deleted. Here 2 zeros will be added. Why? Because for positive numbers we are adding 0. Your number is 8. The number is 8. And here, what is the number you got after shifting 2? Here again 8. Now how many bits position you have to move? 1. So no need to shift 2 bits, 3 bits, just 1 bit from here to here like this. So I'm not writing there. Simply I'm taken that after shifting one position, the place will be here. So like this. Now this 0 will be deleted. This 0 will be added. Here 8, the number is 4. What is the number after shifting 1 bit? Here the number is 4. Now here I'm taken to now to left shift 2 to left shift 1. Here the taken number 2, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. They want to shift left side. So it means 1 bit. 0 will move here, 1 will move here, 0 will move here. These are 2 and it is a 4. What is the number you got here? 4 number you got. Now 2 positions left side. So the number is 2 and what is the number is got? 8. So these are all the questions may come in written test. Bitwise operators, suppose if you are writing any competitive exam, already I think so I given a lot of PDFs documents to you. So in that you can see lot of questions they based on bitwise operators only. Among all the operators, bitwise operators are very important, very important. Okay, so bitwise operators are successfully completed. Logical operators also successfully completed. And here one more thing we can see. Sorry, this is Python. Python we are using and see change from here to here. Okay. Next, increment decrement operators you know very well. Just here there are two types of expression: a plus. Okay. Here, when there is an statements like in programming, when you have like this a plus a minus a minus. Suppose these particular operators are not depending on any statement, not depending on any statement. At that time, these values are incremented by 1 plus 1. Suppose if I take the values, into a equals to 1, I am taken. So it means the value will be 2, 1, 1. For each and every expression, I am taken a value as 1 only. And when this situation will happen, when the statement, suppose the statement is written in like this you written. So then the meaning will change. A plus plus is different, plus plus is different. For example, I'm having a equals to 10. I'm writing a plus plus. Okay, lot of questions, చాలా ఉంటాయి. మీరు ఎంత కావాలన్నంత నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. ఒకటి చెప్తున్నాను, when you are learning more and more, when you want to learn, take some take some days for learning only. Take some days for learning only. You will get all. So here, what is your answer? 10 only. Here, what is your answer? 11. Why 11? Why 10? Here also you take a equals to 10. The answer is 11 for this. Why? Because here 10, after that it will increment. Here 11, for initial only it is increment. After that also the value will be 11. Where this particular statement is depends on SOP. This particular statement is depends on SOP. But here it is not depending on anyone. So just increment by 1, decrement by 1. Once again, I'm telling, when these statements are alone, it is not depend. Sometimes it may look like this also. Return a plus plus, return plus plus a. In this situation also the values are different. I will tell you now that what is that. Okay. Now let us see one more method. This is the first method. Okay, second method is like this. Here two variables, a equals to 10, b equal to a plus plus. Here it means after the operand your plus plus operator is there. After a you written plus plus. Here before you written plus plus. It means post increment. Post increment is nothing but don't increment the value initially. Don't increment the value initially. Just whatever the value is there here, postpone it. Just postpone it. Don't increment the value. Whatever the a value is, don't increment it. What is the a value now? 10. Assign to b. Assign to b. Yes, assign b equals to 10. After that, you increment a value to 11. Just coming to here, see. A equals to 10, b. Pre-increment. What is the pre-increment? First increment a value to 11. Okay. Same value give to b. Next, take this example. Post decrement. Don't decrement. First assign a value to b. What is the a value here? 10. Assign to b less. Now a value will be decremented. So coming to these cases, here post increment. Post don't increment. First don't increment of this post increment value. Assign this value to which one? SOP. So what is SOP? First it will display the value 10. After that it will display the value 11. For example, let us execute this code, this step. Okay, just write here int. So int is semicolon. So what answer you are expecting here? See, what is getting 10? It is not getting 11. 11 are getting in the next line. If you write not plus plus, just write this. So what is your answer? 11. Again, if I write here plus plus, can you tell me Amma answer for this? ఏమో such a series of such a pun? Anyone? What is the output will come? Output. Output, please.
14,
10.
sir.
Yeah. Serially, what will come here? 10. ఇక్కడ 10 వస్తుంది. Next here 11, here 12, 13.
13.
Yes. So this is your answer. If for example, this is also one multiple choice question. So when you are learning, students, when you are learning, simply I will put this question as a question number 1, and I will give you some options, A options, some 10, 11, 12, 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. If you know basic, students, you can solve any problem. You can solve any problem. Okay. Now tell me what is your answer, place A. What is your answer? Ruksar, please respond.
10,
Hmm.
11,
Mm-hmm. Think properly. Here 10. Here post increment is nothing but first 10 value displayed. After that, the value is incremented by 111. Here again the value is incremented. First only incremented. After that also the value is 12. Here 12. Next 11. Next 12 comma 11. Next
10.
10. So your answers will be 10, 12, 12, 10. So like this, you can solve any problem, students. So successfully, we completed all the operators. Successfully, we finished. Yes, bitwise operator successfully we completed. So scope, we'll see. Yes, we'll see now this concept, type conversion. So type conversion is nothing but we'll see this one tomorrow because very big section. This one it will cover that. Okay. Now, see implicit type conversion, explicit type conversion, atomic type conversion. Here, if you go to the beginning, if you go to the beginning, this is a page number 22, right? Okay. You go to the beginning. So here we mentioned the size of the every data type. Every data type. Byte size is 1 byte. Byte size is 1 byte. Boolean size is 1 byte. Character size is 2 byte. Short size is 2 bytes. Here the question is, students. Okay. Here, suppose if I write, suppose I'm taken here, byte equals to byte x equal to 112 I'm taken. After that I'm taking here uh, float y I'm taking. Here I'm writing y equal to x. Y equal to x. Y equal to x. It means what? Your x is actually byte. What is the size here? Total 1 byte. I want to store this one into float. How much float size? How much here? 4 bytes. 4 bytes. 1 byte information I want to store in 4 bytes. So that is okay. That is okay. The answer will come like y equals to what is your answer? 12 point zeros will add based on your size. So like that, a float x equals to 1.1 I'm taking here. Next byte I'm taking y I'm taking and y equals to I'm writing x. So at this particular time, when you are storing, suppose here how much size float size how much here 4 bytes. Here see the difference here. This is an implicit conversion. Directly you are converting. Here see 4 bytes of information you are storing in 1 byte. Implicit conversion, explicit type conversion is nothing but see here. Implicit is nothing but here page number 22. See implicit conversion is nothing but like this. You have to maintain the sizes. Byte you can store in short you can store int you can store long you can store float. Based on 1, 2, 4. Like this only you can store. Suppose explicit type conversion is nothing but reverse. 8 bytes information I want to store in 4 bytes. 4 bytes information like that. So this particular scenario you can call as explicit type conversion. So here forcibly you are connecting. Forcibly you are storing the information here. 4 bytes of information, you want to store 1 byte of information. At that time, the answer will be 1. The fractional part will be deleted. Okay.